Okay, hello and welcome to another day of what's new. I've got some more stuff, so I shall open the box and show you. So it is a nice large box of stuff, and I'll show you shortly. Alright, so got a little box on its own, taped to the outside. So this is from my friend in Queensland, from a gentleman I bought from in Queensland. So I have a few regular people that I buy off on eBay, and when they advertise stuff, some of them let me know in advance, and then others, when I'm just searching on eBay, I just come across it. So sometimes I'm lucky and sometimes I'm not, so it just depends. Oh, this is a Santa Fe. Oh, old one. Oh, okay, yes, I remember this, yes. This is an old Fleischmann. The truck is somewhat bent. Oh no, the coupling, that's why. So yes, so this is a Fleischmann. It's had a replacement set of bogie on that end, but that looks to me to be the original. So yes, but that's not bad at all, actually. So we've got a Lima Model Railways HO00N scale catalogue. We've got some bogies and side pieces and couplings and other stuff in there. That looks like that's the original wheel set for that. So I'll see about fixing that, changing that over. But that's some bogies and couplings and other stuff. This stuff's not packed as well, as you can see. Somebody's made these. They've got pieces of red stuff on it, on the trucks, and then they've glued a coupling onto that one. And this is one of your permanent way track cleaning cars. We'll see if there's anything inside. Probably not, by the looks of it. Yep, nothing in there. This is the first one I've actually got the roof with, because I've got another one that's just a wagon like that, but no roof. So what I could do is spend some time and 3D design a new one, or even just look for another lid somewhere. But yeah, that one needs a bit of TLC. And we've got a Tyco wagon, skid flat car. There's the 3 pieces of plastic that's supposed to look like a piece of drainage. It's nice to see it in its original box, which is good. It's had a fair bit of use. The wheels are filth, but that's alright. It's an very old Tyco. I just wonder whether they have when it was made. Doesn't say. Skid flat car GN342D, so it doesn't tell you. $2.55, so $2.55 or something. I don't know, but yeah, still in its original packing. Oh, here we go. It says hash 91-2-186. So I don't know what that means, but someone, if you know more about the old Tyco boxing, but if you know, wouldn't be 186 of the second 1991, or so I don't know. But anyway, so there we have it, and it's still got the old Talgo couplings on it. 2-3 of them. So that's a nice score for my older stuff. Needs to go in the other way, that way, because the plastic is bent on the other side. So just box that up. Plastic is, as you can see, the plastic's bent, so I'll put a touch of glue on that. So now we've got a Pemco Railways Precision Engineering Models. It says $3.85, 50-foot reefer car WNW, Green Bay and Western. So this is an old one as well, $3.85, so that's a long time ago. So this is another old one. Oh, look at that. I haven't had one of these Pemcos before. The old plastic boxing. So yeah, it's quite nice actually. It's in good detail, good condition. Nothing broken that I can see, so that's good. It's an old refrigerated car, so yep. Had some use. The wheels are lovely and dirty. But yeah, that's quite nice actually. I don't mind that. So yes, I have been buying a few bits and pieces on eBay lately, as you can see. So yes. Kind of weird the way that sits, but anyway. Alright, so we've got a Lima, no, 302810. Oh, this is a little mining wagon. So you can see $3.50 down to $3. So a very old box actually. So yes. You can tell I'm a right-hander because I pull stuff out from this side. But yeah, a nice little mining flat wagon. Lima, Italy. So yep, old European couplings on it, which I will change. But isn't that cute? How's that? Wonder if that locks it into place. No. No, it doesn't lock it into place. That is... yeah, okay. I would have thought... oh no, there's a little piece on there that's worn off that would have locked it in place. But anyway, cute. It's in good nick, so that's good. Got another Lima. It is a 309342 guards van. $8.50 down to $7. Nice little wag, nice little guards van. Good condition, so that's lovely. The wheels have got a bit of dirt, but that's not too bad, but yes. It's all in good nick, so that's good. We've got another Lima, older again. Lima Trains 9041. So you can tell the difference from the... right, the boxing has changed over the years. Like that is a Lima older version and that's a newer version. But yes. But you see you've got on the back, see how they've changed over the years? So we'll just get this one out. This looks like a Fleischmann sort of type of wagon. Lima, made in Italy. So yep, this is the DB Railways, so Germany. So that was similar to the Fleischmann type stuff. Oh look, cool. It's got the window down a bit. It's got a broken corner, or broken two corners there. So it's seen, and it's missing a buffer. Oh, it's missing two buffers, one there and one there. So, oh yeah, the window's down on that one too also. Okay, cool. This would be second class, I would say. Yep, cool. So that's quite old, that one. Know how old? Send me a comment. So this is another Lima. So this was $8.99 down to $5. Oh, this one's seen better days. This is no, it's not that one. This is a wagon. So it's not what it says on the side of the box, or the end of the box, should I say. So the side of the coupling in where it joins into the wagon is broken. That's typical of these. So that's okay. So this has got two blocks. I don't know what they are. Imitation blocks of something. And you can see it's had some weights or something inside of it. I don't know if they're supposed to be part of it or not. I have no idea. But could have been made to look like part of a load or something. I'm not sure. If you know this wagon or know anything about it, by all means, please let me know. CCR, so SAR. So I don't know much about this one, but anyway. So if you can help me out, that would be fantastic. All comments gratefully received and used to help. So if you know anything about this one, please help me out. And the last one is car transporter. $8.95 it says, 309069 on the end of it. And I know these are fairly old because I've already got two of these already that you can see in my earlier videos. So this would be probably the third or fourth one I've got. So that's good. So it looks like the cars are actually still in place, because the other ones I've got, the cars are not in place. They're not held. So, yep, this one's, the cars are all in place, which is good. The old pizza cutter wheels. European couplings. And look, they're all facing the same way, except for the two inside. Okay, part of that brake wheel's been broken, but otherwise it's in pretty good nick. So I don't know what this 9055, because the other boxes have different numbers on them too, but anyway. So there we go, that's the last of this lot. So as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget, leave your comments. Don't forget to subscribe. It all helps me out, keeps the stuff on the tracks, keeps the models rolling on my tracks. And don't forget, I'm building my new layout, so I'm in the midst of pulling things apart and doing all that. So these unboxings will be in between a bit of demolition and rebuilding in this front room. Alright, thank you very much. Don't forget, catch up with you soon. Bye for now.